I'm really happy that I was able to come, and I'm very thankful that my husband has come to support me. I felt really, really super behind when it came to the book flipping. I had a hard time getting it. Not that I spent a whole lot of time. I read the manual and I watched like one module on it, and I just thought, I'm not going to understand the book flipping session at all. And I even told Brian this at lunchtime, and he just made everything so simple, and I was able to understand a little bit more. I still have Alan, who will probably take over that part of it, but I'm just really thankful, Brian, for your training on this, and I have enjoyed this whole weekend, and I thank you for providing the opportunity for us to come. And I also made so many new friends. Lonnie, Jackie, Jane, and Christy and her husband. There's just so many people, and thankful. And my goal, after listening to your interview with Shiwei, you asked, what did you take away? I said, I need to come away with an accountability partner. I'm coming away with 2.
Awesome.